What's up guys, I'm Justin, and today I am going to be making another tutorial because I haven't made one in quite a while, so I think it's about time. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to spawn an object using instantiate, and maybe in a future video I'll make it spawn with a velocity or random, like make it spawn in random places, but anyways, let's get right to it. So first, what you're going to want to do is create an empty game object. I'm just going to name it spawn point. And this is just going to be where you want the object you want to spawn to be, where to spawn. So I just want it to be at 0, 0, 0, maybe make it a little higher. Then I'm going to create the object that I want to spawn. I'm just gonna make it this sphere. 0, 0, 0 again. Doesn't really matter where it is in the scene, but I'm just going to put some materials I have on it right here. I'll just bring it up right there, and boom, there is our little sphere. So I'm going to make another empty game object. I'm going to name it script. Okay. And what you're going to want to do is, I made a prefabs folder. You can just drag it to your assets, but I'm dragging and dropping your game object to make a prefab. So now you can delete it from the scene, and you have it right here, so you can just drag and drop it into your scene, and it has everything onto it. So actually what I'm going to do, actually no, never mind, it already has the material. Okay, so now I'm going to make a new script called spawn object. Make sure there's no spaces because that'll mess up the class. Drag and drop it to your scripts game object and double click it to open it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, just clean up your scene. You don't need to start. And the next thing you want is some references of the objects and game objects you have in the scene and what you want to instantiate. So what I'm going to do first is create a public game object. I'm just going to call it sphere, I don't know. So this is going to be the game object that you want to spawn. Then we're going to want the spawn point, so public no, don't want that. Transform. I'm just going to put spawn point. My typing isn't the best right now because it's kind of late. So, yep, that's it. That's all you need. So, in the void update, I'm just going to make it where you press the space bar and it spawns the object. So, if input dot get key down key code dot space. There we go. So what you want to do now is we're going to use the instantiate function, which I'll show you here. So here you put gameObject.instantiate, and then the object you want to instantiate, the position, the vector 3 that you want to instantiate it at, and then the rotation. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to use is the game object and the transform. So gameObject.instantiate, and then use our sphere, and then spawn point. And that should be it, if everything's correct. So I'm going to save that, go back into Unity. And there we go, no errors. And then you want to go into your scripts and drag and drop all of the assets that you are using. So here's the sphere that I want to instantiate, then the spawn point, and there we go. That should be working. Just playing, and then there we go. Now whenever I press the spacebar, it instantiates an object. I'm just gonna put a rigid body on it so it falls. There we go. And there we go. Boom. Whenever you press the spacebar, it instantiates the object. And yeah, there we go. I'm going to post the code in the description, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you guys liked the video, then make sure to press the like button, comment if this helped, and subscribe, because it really helps. And if you really liked it and you'd like a part 2 where I spawn it in specific random places with random velocities or whatever, just comment it down below and I will make another video.